Through their gifts to Presbyterians Sharing, Canadian Presbyterians are sending people around the world to share the gospel in word and action. International Ministries has sent Glenn and Linda Inglis to Malawi 28 years after their first posting here, at the request of the Church of Central Africa Presbyterians Blantyre Synod.
We got a phone call about a changing situation in Malawi. So they're wondering, because we knew the church and because we knew the donors and we were trusted here, if we would come back and steer this ship for maybe 2 to 3 years. And if we could stabilize and help it grow again, then I could step aside and we could find the Malawian replacement.
The Ingleses are helping Blantyre Synod to strengthen its relationship between international churches and NGOs. They are helping the Malawian Church as it works on programs that tackle AIDS, reduce poverty, build healthy, sustainable communities, and provide health care and education for the most vulnerable.
And it was easy again to say yes, in the sense that we knew the programs that were suffering, and largely the orphan care programs, and to think that we would break that partnership in any way didn't seem even feasible. So to be able to come back and be part of that is very meaningful for us.
Glenn and Linda are sharing their gifts with the Malawian Church because of your gifts to Presbyterians Sharing.